Here's how to change account on Monopoly Go. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. Let's start the process. Open Monopoly Go app. Go to 3 lines at upper right corner. A menu will appear. Go to Setting to complete your work. We just have to click on Connect Accounts. Connect Account menu will give you 3 options. You can pick any of one, but I will go with Play with Contacts. A pop-up menu will appear. To find friends, first select region and then add the phone number. Click Continue and go ahead. Monopoly Go will send a verification code to confirm phone number. Enter the code and press Submit button. Then we see the menu Who is playing. You can see that I have successfully created my first account. To change account, then click on 3 dots on the upper right corner, and then click on Settings button. After, click on Connect button. Next, you have 3 options to log in another account. Play with friends, sign in with Google, play with contacts. Choose one of them and then log in your second account. So in this way you can change account on Monopoly Go.